Enrichment analysis. You've found the gang. Now ask, what kind of gang is it? Robbery ring, fraud ring, or both? WGCNA gave you a module, a list of genes that work together, but a list of names isn't actionable. Imagine the detective hands you a list of 20 suspects. You need to know, are these all bank robbers? Are they drug dealers? White-collar fraudsters? The answer tells you what kind of crime to investigate and what kind of evidence to look for. Gene ontology. Go. Enrichment is like checking criminal records. You take your list of suspects and cross-reference it against a database of known criminal specialties. If 12 out of 20 suspects have prior arrests for bank robbery, that's a statistically enriched category. The gang specializes in bank robbery. Go does this for biological functions. Is this gene list enriched for inflammation? For cell death? For synaptic signaling? GSEA. Gene set enrichment analysis works differently. Instead of starting with your suspect list, it ranks every person in the city by suspicion level and asks, do the known bank robbers cluster at the top of the suspicion list? Or are they scattered randomly throughout? If they cluster at the top, then bank robbery is enriched in your high suspicion group. GSEA doesn't need a hard cutoff. It works with the full ranked list. The output: a ranked list of biological categories. Inflammatory response, highly enriched. Complement activation, highly enriched. Cell adhesion, moderately enriched. DNA repair, not enriched. Now you know what the gang does. It's an inflammation and complement gang. That tells you what pathway to target and what kind of drug might work. To recap, Go enrichment cross-references your gene list against known functional categories. What's overrepresented? GSEA uses the full ranked list. No arbitrary cutoff. Both answer the same question. What biological function is this gang involved in? That answer directs the next step, proving that the gang actually causes the disease. Next, correlation isn't causation. How do you prove the gang causes the crime wave? Mendelian randomization. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.